Okay, it's recording. Remember, after 5 minutes it reboots.
Yeah.
Okay. It's not smoking much anymore, but it's going to, I can tell you that. I'm going to rev the throttle down a bit too. Don't get so hot. This doesn't need to be plowed, I just want to play. Oh, that's rock solid on my ass! I
Yeah. What you looking at? He's just using the front plow right now, by the looks of it.
think I took more sand with it.
Yeah. Works pretty good. First time we've used it this year so far. So, yeah. Oh, look at that smoke. Oh, yeah. Look at that exhaust. Yeah. No.
Not frozen enough yet. It's
Yeah.
just making a mess, so that's it.
Yeah.
All it's doing is taking sand up. Well, I'll just run it a little bit more, but it's just the ground's not frozen enough yet, so it doesn't work. But it was fun. Still gonna let it run another half hour.
Curtis just tried to fix a little rut, we'll say. He should have some fun with this. look at that exhaust. Damn. Getting a little stuck there. But yeah. You might want to use some of the footage in his videos. Diesel tractor modified. Of course, as you can see, the exhaust and a couple other things. Someone decided to go around the track. I wonder who it could be, eh?
It's on the track. Yeah, taking up some grass, but here I don't care as much. Turn, baby, turn! Nope. Don't hit the stump! Okay, it's gonna hit the stump. I gotta move my gloves, man. It's right in the way. And of course, it doesn't want to turn. Could be using a rear plow, maybe. Nah. It's gonna suck if I... Whoop, stump there. It's gonna suck if I want to take the snowblower through here after doing this, but, you know. Look at all the deer tracks, by the way. Some of those are people tracks. I think I better do this without the plow blade down. Don't want to fall into my old hole. Oh, fuck. Wow, are my hands cold. Wow, are those cold. Running great. Don't need to plow anything back here. You see the puppy? Oh, look at the snow drifts. Back plow is actually doing something. Can't believe the back plow is actually plowing, even though it's dropped down. We're doing a little bit with the drifts. Yeah, that just kind of made a mess. Gonna suck for a snowblower. No, all this actually will probably melt by next week. We're meant to get back into the warmer weather. Well, I guess I'll put her away. Been running now for about 15 minutes. I'm just going to leave it idling here now. Actually, no, I've been running for probably closer to half an hour. Whew, my gloves are under my ear and they're cold. Yeah. But she's running actually very efficient. It's good. Let her run a little bit longer. Yeah, right there the way I got it set. No smoke at all, really, once it's running. That should be awesome. Yep, she just made a mess. Taking too much sand with her. So, went around the track as you guys kind of seen there. Again, we're meant to get warmer weather next week, so I'm not too worried about it. A little bit of snow building up on top of these guys. Not too bad. actually been running now for over half an hour. Still hasn't even hit on the gauge that it's low. It was right full, so that's not bad. Well, I guess I'll back her up to there. Bitch getting it in with that exhaust, by the way, because this doesn't open. It opens just enough. So I gotta do some work on this guy, but that won't be till next week. Right now I'm dealing with the fireplace install. So, well, fireplace, wood stove install, I mean. I always say fireplace, I have no idea why. But you can see, yeah, the ground's not even trying to freeze yet. Mind you, this is going to be so dry in here. Should actually be scooping up some of this to put on the icy bits. So I still got to do something with this. I don't want it just sitting outside during the winter. So I'm going to have to pick up a cherry picker or something. Maybe I'll take the loader and I'll push it over. But the idea is to bring it into the city. So that's the diesel off the Toyota 3B diesel engine, 3-liter diesel, 4-cylinder. Okay, I guess I'll put this guy away. It's gonna be fun myself. Always is. Well, I'm back at my dad's. This video that you guys just watched was actually meant to go up last week, but yeah, I forgot to upload it. It's cold start one on the 6-horse diesel. So as for intake heaters, I got a bunch of these guys here. So this is one style here. You can just see it's like a glow plug physically inside there. So I don't like that design. This is another shot of it here. So it's almost like a glow plug. I don't know. Like it goes to the end there. I guess it's going to work. So this is actually made for the 6-horse diesel. Well, you can say modified for the 6-horse diesel. These are custom jobs. So custom made. So, and I also have a grid heater style setup somewhere here. That's like a full out grid heater. I just actually don't know where that one went. So I'm going to guess it's in that old toolbox there. So I'll see if I can find it to show you guys. Because that style there, I'm sure they work fine, but I kind of want to go something a little bit better. I'll see if I can find the other style. Well, I have no clue where the other one is. I just took a quick peek. I don't want to start moving shit. I'm pretty sure it's outside actually installed on an engine.